A perfect morning for a peaceful farm check.
Please, just one day without trouble. Just one. Okay, fine, maybe a little trouble.
Ting! Trouble alert, trouble alert.
Emergency detected. Emergency detected.
All right! Rescue mode on! Stop this spinning ride!
I didn't buy a ticket for this.
Careful, I'm a VIP duck.
Relax, buddy. You'll be dry in a minute. O-N.
Slurp mode activated.
Ah, finally solid ground.
Thank you, Monkey Master.
Rescue complete. Finally solid ground.
Thank you, Monkey Master.
Rescue complete.
Moo! This is not the mud spa I booked. Someone get me out. My tail is disapcow.
The Mudbuster Monkey is here.
Finally, my rescue package arrived.
Scooping mud like a pro.
Careful, that's my favorite hoof.
Mud vacuum, power up! Swoop mode, yes.
So gastado.
Ready of it, hero.
We're falling. Who designed this tower? Engineer Monkey.
Relax. Tower rebuild in progress.
Hooray! Tower complete.
Rescue success. Book, book. Egg traffic jam.
We can't move.
Egg party, here we go. Finally, room to move.
Egg rescue complete.
Stop this roller coaster! Help us, monkey! Hang on! Rescue in progress!
Safe. Thanks, Monkey.
Net secured.
Ah, what a ride!
All in a day's work. Someone hit the brakes.
Hold on! Monkey rescue coming!
Gotcha! Safe and sound!
Whew, thank you. You're my hero, Minky.
All in a day's work.
Here, fishy, fishy.
Whoa! My shoe!
Is this yours?
Hey! That's MY Tractor!
Ah, what a perfect morning! Time to check my smart farm system.
Good morning, Farmer Monkey. All systems online. Let's see. Crops perfect. Water tanks full. Today is gonna be smooth. Farm status, excellent. That shiny tractor will be mine today.
Yes, yes, yes. He's not watching.
Time to steal. Come to daddy, little tractor.
Unauthorized user detected? Why do I hear beeping? Something's not right.
Alert! Tractor security system triggered.
Shiny tractor. Today you'll be mine.
Arg.
Why won't you listen? Oh? Oh, wow! I did it!
Engine activated! Vroom, vroom!
Let's go! Hey! Stop! That's my tractor!
Ah, perfect morning for fishing and farm work.
That That tractor looks tasty. Time for some mischief.
Come on, why won't you start?
Hope the fish bite today.
Time for some tech justice. GPS locate.
Target acquired. Initiating trace sequence.
Can't catch me, Farmer Monkey. I'll get you, you little rascal. Whoa!
Too close, too close.
Not so fast, buddy.
Sigh, look at this mess. You really gave her a wild ride.
She went fast on her own. I just sat.
If you ever want to drive machines, you ask first, understand?
Yes. Permission first. Understood. Let me help fix it. I caused the trouble. Good idea. Teamwork time.
It's angry at me.
Relax. She just likes you now.
See, working together is way better than stealing.
Yeah, teamwork feels kind of nice. I'm really sorry. I shouldn't have taken your tractor.
Good. The first step is admitting your mistake. To fix what you did, you must help me wash the tractor.
What? The whole tractor? It's huge.
Done. It's shining like a banana peel.
See? Helping feels better than stealing. Come on, let's work together from now on.
Deal. But can I at least honk the horn?
Go ahead.
You can't steal from others, Bad Monkey. That's not how farms work.
I just wanted a ride.
Whoa, mud ahead!
Oh, mud ahead! Out!
That was unexpected.
Mud makeover. All right. Maybe a little fun isn't so bad.
Friends?
Friends, if you stop causing trouble. Sit tight. We're going home.
I'm already tight.
Uh-oh, someone's in trouble.
He stole the tractor again.
Stealing is wrong. You could have hurt yourself or the tractor.
I know. No more stealing, promise. Your punishment is cleaning the barn.
No, anything but that.
Sweep, sweep, sweep. Why did I steal that thing?
You missed a spot.
Oh no! My haystack fell on me. Somebody help!
Hang on, donkey. I'm coming right now.
Fresh air at last. Good job helping today, everyone. Time for a special treat.
Bananas, cookies.
Farmer Monkey, I'm really sorry. I promise I won't steal the tractor again.